we're doing pizza and wings on the grill, but what we really want to do is reinforce how important your surface cooking temperature is. We've got our pizza prepped and ready to go. So we're checking our surface temperature. It's at 489 right now. We want to be at least 500, maybe hotter. We've got the wings cooking over to the right. They're in direct heat. The only heat on the gas grill is under the pizza stone. We're at 511 now, 512. About ready to start checking the temperature on the wings. We're at 211, that's good. I like to be anywhere all the way up to 215 really, but somewhere between 195, 210 is where you're going to be right with the chicken wings. So here we're 196 on this one, so let's think about pulling these off. So we're double checking our pizza stone temp here. We're at 512. So that's good to go. You can see we've been all the way up to over 600. Pull the wings off to make it a little easier to deal with the pizza when we put that on. So here we go. Sorry it's dark out, but that's the way it is. This is a skill I haven't really mastered that well, but we have cornmeal on our peel there. We got to slide off a little bit. Got to do a little touch up. Try to slide the dough evenly across. Here we are cooking. It only takes about 5-7 minutes or so, maybe even less if your dough's thinner. The overall grill temperature is in the 700, 800 degree range, but again the pizza stone was at over 500, 550 when we threw the pizza on. We're getting pretty close to done here. The bottom is nice and crisp. We added some savory blast to the top of the pizza after it came out. Also some shredded Parmesan and other Italian cheeses. We added some Memphis barbecue rub to our chicken wings when they're done to kind of brighten the flavor up, if you will. And here, once again, here's the final pizza. We hope you enjoyed our video today.